Hi there. Welcome to Chef Grace MD. If you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate your presence. You are welcome. And to my lovely subscribers and my returning viewers, you are amazing. Thank you for your love and support. Welcome back. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Today, in line with healthy eating, we are making acorn squash, a fruit but treated mainly as vegetable. Don't overlook this acorn squash. Acorn squash is more than just a comfort food. Very nutritive. It's good for your gut, your eyes, your heart, overall immune system. Okay, so let's go ahead and get cooking with this, and I'm going to show you how to make these very delicious. These acorn squash, I promise you, deserves a spot on your plate. So let's go ahead and wash these and cut them up. Wash it up. However you wash your veggies, please do so. Okay? If you've never had acorn squash, let me tell you, you are missing out. They are delicious if you cook them well. So they are washed. So what you want to do is cut it up, both sides. Okay, and we'll clean out what's inside. Don't overlook this fall favorite, acorn squash. Okay, it helps your heart, your eyes, your digestion, even your blood sugar. You see why I say that it deserves a spot on your plate year round, not just during the falls. And so what you want to do is go ahead and cut this open, like so. If you're watching your weight, this is where to go. Watching your blood sugar, this is for you. See what it looks like inside? This is high in dietary fiber. It will prevent constipation. It will feed your healthy gut bacteria, and it helps regulate your blood sugar. This is an excellent source of vitamin C. It boosts your immunity, your skin health as well. It provides electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese as well. So it's a good source of heart and bone health. It's loaded with fiber, so no more constipation. Okay? Remember, fiber will help lower cholesterol. Potassium will balance and help with elevated blood pressure. So it balances blood pressure. It also has antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. So go ahead and cut all these up. Yep. The high fiber content in this really is very good for your blood sugar. It will slow down sugar absorption, lowers glycemic index compared to processed carbs. It's better for steady energy, very, very diabetes friendly meal. Okay, so learn to incorporate this into your meal. Again, if you're on a weight loss journey, welcome to the club. This is relatively low in calories, but nutrient dense. You know, I say that all the time. Yes, it's for a reason. This is nutrient dense. Okay, all right, so we're gonna finish this, get our pot, and get cooking. All right, so we're done. We're just gonna arrange this carefully in our pot. Add water, cook till it's soft enough. I don't overcook it because I'm still going to do a lot more with it, requiring heat. Okay, so let's go ahead and add water. That's enough water. See how much water I have? It's a little bit too much actually. So, but that's how much you want. I'm gonna cover it and start cooking it, okay? Now let's go ahead and prep the rest of the ingredients we will need. So we are probably just gonna use about 4. I love seeing a bunch of it, so I might use 4 or 5 of this, okay? And I'll use about 1/4 of this onion. I'll use about 2 cloves of garlic, and then I have coconut oil. Yep, boom, 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 boom. That's what we're gonna use today. So I'm gonna clean these up, cut them up, and we'll get cooking. Okay, that's it. I love garlic. I love garlic. Please add a little more if you want more. Use 1 if you don't like garlic, or don't use it all. This is optional, but I just love garlic in my in this butter squash. Yes, it is ginger. Yes, so you can either use this if you're going to blend it. Means you're going to squeeze out all of the juice here. You're going to extract all of them. Then use a smaller one, or use this. I don't know if they call this a medium. You're just going to cut it up in pieces and put it to cook. But I don't like to bite on them, so you're gonna cut them chunky enough so that once it cooks, you can pick them out. Mini, mini, many more. Which is it gonna be? I'm gonna do this one because I like to extract all of the juice out. Okay, we're done. So we're gonna just put this in here. Add a little bit of water. That's the much water I have. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this. I'm gonna clean this corn up, and that's what we're gonna use with the squash. Let's clean it up. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this out. We've completed making the squash. It's now time to go ahead and prepare the side dish. So these are the major ingredients we'll be needing. Remember, we cleaned out corn, so that's a corn. Here is green beans. They've all been washed, cleaned, you know. That's different colors of bell pepper. If you have the sweet pepper, you can use that. This is parsley. I love parsley. Okay? And of course, shrimp. Okay? That's our shrimp. That's a combination of our green onion and white onions. And here are some carrots already cleaned and diced. Of course, these are baby carrots. I just have to rewash them and chop them up. All these ingredients, when you combine them, they are loaded. Powerhouse. We will briefly touch all of them as we go along. It's out. I saved the water. See how soft it is? But it still has room for improvement. See, it's a little bit hard going down all the way. And that's how you want it. You don't want it cooked all the way. Okay? Because we're still going to add some stuff. See this? Yeah, so 4 tablespoons. That's not bad. So I used up the 4 tablespoons of the ginger extract, okay, that we blended and extracted ourselves. And now you go ahead and add your salt to taste. I am using cayenne pepper. And what is my food without my chicken bouillon? So a little bit of that. And this is where the magic happens. Go ahead and add your garlic. Now for the onion, did you know that onions support heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, promotes gut health with prebiotic fiber? Did you know that? All the onions, the green onion and the white onion, I have them all together. They're gonna marry each other right here. And finally, you're gonna add your coconut oil. I'm just eyeballing, but I use just a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons. Really doesn't need much. This is just for the flavor. Okay, so now go ahead and cover this back. I'm gonna rinse my hand. So we're gonna transfer this back to the stove and put it on low. It's gonna be on low for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes before we even touch it. So let's see where we at. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I am so hungry right now. See? So the only liquid we used was that 4 tablespoons of ginger extract. Remember, we blended that and extracted that? That's the only liquid we used. You just had to give it time to kind of simmer in. What you want to do is get a spoon and just kind of get this to be on top. You know what I mean? Like get the liquid, just kind of drizzle on top of it. There's not much. There's no much. So we just want to have this drizzle on top of it. This is a good time to taste it for salt and pepper. Some people like to add butter. This is delicious already. This is butter squash. It doesn't need extra butter. But I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying I don't do it. Okay? But you are welcome to add whatever you want to add. So this is where we're at. Right now, we are almost ready to come out. Okay, so I'm going to transfer these to our serving bowl and then get the corn in here. Corn usually takes about 5 minutes to cook, and then we'll go ahead and serve this meal. Delicious, I'm telling you. I wish you were here to receive the aroma yourself. Let me turn it up to medium. He's just going to cook just on medium for a minute, and then I'll transfer it just to give the liquid time to sip in some more, okay? Nothing else. Okay, 1 minute is up. Go ahead and turn the stove off and transfer this. Okay. This is beautiful already. This is beautiful, so just transfer it to any bowl you're gonna store it in. Okay, so that's beautiful. I still like to take some of that, just kind of drizzle it all over, okay? Alrighty, so go ahead and cover this and keep it aside. Start by combining the corn in the same pan. So corn, fresh corn in particular, rich in fiber, B vitamins, especially B1 and B9, magnesium, antioxidants. These will support your eye health, your digestion due to its high fiber. These will also help stabilize our blood sugar. Go ahead and stir this. Literally takes like 5 minutes for corn to cook. This green beans is very soft. If you have a hard one, go ahead and steam it for a minute or two. But if it's soft like the ones I have, you just literally kind of put it to the side and allow it to cook for the whole duration of this meal, just to soften it, nothing else. Green beans. It's also rich in fiber, folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, magnesium. So these also will support your digestive health due to the high fiber content. It will promote healthy pregnancy. Again, the folate, right? It will strengthen bone because it has vitamin K and minerals. It will boost your immune system as well and support your heart health. Don't forget your salt, your pepper, obviously to taste. Then stir this, cover, give it a minute so that the green beans can soften. Actually, go ahead and add the shrimp at the same time. And voila, shrimp. One of my favorites. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein. In fact, shrimp is high in high quality, complete protein. It supports muscle building, tissue repair, and immune function. They are very low in calorie, but nutrient dense. Helps reduce inflammation and supports brain and heart health. Shrimps are very high in antioxidants. They also contain essential minerals and vitamins. Shrimps is a natural source of vitamin B12, iron, zinc, selenium, phosphorus. In fact, your bone and teeth are going to love you. And it also contains iodine, which is essential for thyroid hormone production. Contrary to the myth, shrimp is considered one of the safest seafood options for most people, including pregnant women, when cooked properly. And the carrot. Carrot contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, fiber, potassium, antioxidants. All these in combination will help improve your vision, your eye health, support your immune system, promote healthy skin. It will help regulate blood sugar thanks to the fiber. It will also support your heart health by lowering LDL, yes, now the bad cholesterol. All right, it's been a minute, 30 seconds and change. See what we have? Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go ahead and stir this and then combine the rest of the pepper and the food will be served. Look at that. That looks very inviting. Tell me, would you try this at home? Would you try that? Look at that. Very appetizing. Look like, Love this. Remember, we didn't have to add anything extra. Whatever we had in the bottom of the pan was what we needed to use. And that was what we used. Now going with your pepper. Now bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, antioxidants, especially carotenoids. This will boost your immune function with very high vitamin C, remember, and support your eye health, the beta-carotene. It will reduce inflammation due to antioxidants, improving health, as collagen production from the vitamin C. It will also help support your heart health by reducing oxidative stress. Cover it for a minute or two, and we'll start getting our stomach ready. Come with your appetite. That's all you need. All right, let's take a look. Who is ready to eat? I am starving. Beautiful. Eating healthy shouldn't be a chore. It should be something enjoyed. This is good. Okay, let's go ahead and add our parsley. Okay, where's the parsley? That's our parsley. We'll go ahead and add that. If you think parsley was just for garnishing, think again. Why? Parsley is actually rich in vitamins, especially vitamin K, C, and A. Okay? All these, the K, will support your bones and will help with blood clotting. C will boost immunity and support collagen production. Vitamin A promotes healthy eyes and skin. Now, don't forget the powerful antioxidant properties of parsley. Another surprise for you, I bet you didn't know. It acts as a natural diuretic. What does that mean? It can help flush out excess fluid from the body and reduce bloating. Commonly used in detox drinks. Didn't know that either, but now you know. Let me be clear. Parsley is not a substitute for medical treatment. Please see your doctor. And besides the aroma, it will support bone health, freshens breath naturally. So, chewing fresh parsley can reduce bad breath. Great for adding nutrient, flavor, and color to meals without extra calories. Try this with me. Okay, so let's go ahead and serve this food. This is also a good time to taste it finally. Make sure everything tastes the way you want it. Taste it for salt and pepper, really. That's it. You can add anything else if you so wish. But yeah, this is it. Food is served, and I cannot wait to taste this food. Yes, Lord, we thank you for this food. And I don't know which one to eat first. Let me tell you, this is not going to be enough. I wish you could taste this food. Try it. Let me know what you think. Okay? Ooh, see the squash? How beautiful it is? Go try it. You thank me later. A beautiful drink. This is so good. This is so good. Like, you have all your meals at a sitting. You want to know what's in here? That's for another day. I'll show you how to make this next time. Cheers. Come eat with me. This is good. Serve this to mom, dad. They will love you. Okay? Go try it. Enjoy it. This is good. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Bam. Want some? Tell me where to find you. Okay? I'll send you the recipe. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all the best. As always, thank you for being here. I appreciate your presence. If you are visiting or stopping by for the first time, I appreciate your presence. Consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. Share with friends, family. What have you tried your squash with? How do you normally make your squash? Let me know, okay? As always, a good health makes a good life even more pleasurable. Wishing you a good and godly day, depending on where you're watching from. A godly afternoon, a godly evening, or a godly night. But what good is the day if it is not also godly? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye for now.